As we get into the final week of the year, LockedOn is giving you some special messages to send off to your database. If you go into the engine and you go into your packs, you'll see that we have a special events pack. You may already have this installed, but if you hit the update pack option, it will now download the latest Christmas messages into your account. Once you've updated the pack, you'll then go into engine, go into your templates, and in the email section, you'll be able to sort this by date added new to old. And here you'll see Merry Christmas light version, Merry Christmas dark version. We give you two options to send to your database. Let's look at the dark version, but you can edit the light exactly the same. By clicking edit, you'll see the standard message that we have put into your account. It will load your logo, it will have a nice image, and it will have some text. To edit the text, simply hit edit, and you will see the text open up on the right of your screen. The main thing you'll need to edit before you send out is the third paragraph. Our team will be taking a short break and update the dates that you'll be closed. If you want to change anything else in the text, please feel free to edit it. Once you have finished, hit the Save Widget option. Recently, LockedOn also sent you out a request to take a nice photo of your staff or your team so that you can use in the Christmas message. If you have taken this, you are able to change the image at the top by clicking the Edit option, going into the Image section and hitting Pick Image. You can see that I've uploaded our team image here, and to upload an image you can hit Upload at the bottom and pick your image and it will be saved at the top. To pick your image, click the image and you'll now see that that is loaded. Once you've updated your team image, you'll then be able to hit Save Widget and then Save and Close Template. Let's just have a quick look at the light version. You can see it's exactly the same, just with a different color, and we'll save and close that. Now you have your Christmas email ready, we suggest you send it to everyone in your client's database. By going into the client's database, this will load your whole database, and to send this you'll be able to go Send, select Email, and it will load everyone who has a valid email in your account. Once you have the list loaded and it tells you the number at the top, you can then select your template. I will select the dark version, and you will see this load. The final thing you'll need to do before sending is pick who it's coming from. So you can set it to come from one email in your office or one person, but generally this is a good time to send it from the primary assigned agent, which means it will come from the agent or the person in the database who is looking after that client. A lot of people also want to send this Christmas morning or on Christmas Eve. If you don't want to send it now, you can actually hit Send Later and book this in to go on the 24th, and we can select for 9 AM or pick any time you like and any date. At the bottom you just need to confirm how many people it's going to, which will be the number at the top, and I'll make this 35. And then this will book in for the 24th of the 12th at 9 AM and I can hit Send. We have also included an SMS that you can send to your database, and this may be sent at a separate time as to when you schedule your email to be sent. In the engine, once you've installed the pack, you'll be able to go into Templates and go to SMS. Here you'll search Christmas, and you'll see we have one here called Merry Christmas SMS Template. Select Edit, and you'll be able to change the text in the SMS by using this option located over on the right. Once you've edited the text, you can select Save. To send this to your database, go to Clients, find Everyone, hit Send SMS, pick your template, Christmas, and below you'll just need to change who it's coming from. So if it's to come from one person and their mobile, or if you want it to come from the agent who's assigned to the client as the primary agent, select the Dynamic Send As Primary Assigned Agent. You can schedule this to send now, or if you'd like to send it later, you can book in the day and time, just like we did with the email. So if we were sending the email on the 24th, we may like to do this on the 20th as an example, and we'll put that for 10 AM. We'll then confirm that it's going to 36 people in my database, and if you'd like to see a preview of it, use the Update Preview option. You can also flick through each person's name to see who it's going for. You'll then, at the bottom, when everything is confirmed and scheduled, hit the Send SMS option. We hope you have a great Christmas and holiday period, and we look forward to chatting with you in 2023. All the best.